Here we are heading up the North Rim trail at Fillmore Glen. It looks like they've blazed the trail. It wasn't blazed the last time I went up. They just had the regular markers. Ugh. 3 days of rain. First day of sunshine we've seen since, I don't know, Monday morning, I think, Sunday night. And I get some hiking done, mostly for picture taking. And this is my view from here. I just give you guys a second to take that in. My first time filming. Just take that in for a minute. 3 days of rain. This is the first sunshine we've seen. Oh, feels good. I did pack my sunglasses, but really haven't had a use for them. Alright, we got this. It's marked. It's marked. Very clearly marked. Like I said before, the trails weren't blazed before. All I had were the little metal trail markers nailed or screwed into the tree. I'll tell you, just like that. There's some beautiful, beautiful scenery out here. Fillmore Glen State Park, Moravia, New York. That's where we're at. Kind of our go-to place. I don't know. Usually we plan ahead. We're going to do Adirondacks, maybe Rollins Pond next year. And we'll get some video of that. Hopefully it won't rain for days and days and days. Last time we were up there, last year we were at Cranberry Lake. I hiked the Bear Mountain Loop. That was quite the hike. I'm glad we started at the trailhead and didn't go up the backside, because our campsite was right at the end of the trail before the trail kind of comes through the campsite, the loop. So we started at the trailhead, and then we walked around, went right to our campsite, and kind of drove the rest of the way. Sign out on the ledger. Woo. Yeah, buddy. This stream here, if I remember, this ain't part of the actual gorge. Just a runoff. And I believe there's a bridge. Yeah, there it is. You can kind of see it up there. Just a little bit of runoff. This ain't the main gorge. We get up halfway points the dam. There's a pond up there, and that's what drains into the main gorge. It's just a little farther east here. I don't think I've ever seen this running like this, but we have had 3 days of rain, so yeah, I know. So they say take side trails. And I've never taken this trail. It kind of loops out from the north end and it goes back to the North Rim Trail. I have never seen this on any of my trips up here. This makes it all worthwhile. Okay, maybe I can record on this. I don't know how well the audio is going to come out. And here we are. This is the top of the gorge. This is the pond and the dam's up here. Let's just take a little walk out of the woods and into the clearing. Oh yeah, sunshine, sunshine. Ooh, what's that there? Oh no, he ran away. Got some bullfrogs croaking. And over here's the dam. Oh, the sun feels so good. Three damn days of rain and clouds, thunderstorms. Check it out. Woo. Just take a walk around here. Probably can't hear me too well. Ooh, buddy. See if we can see any wildlife floating around. Ooh. We're car camping here, and what we got a fire right here, right down there, and we're gonna show you how to get that flame back with a simple but effective tool. This is air mattress. This is air mattress thing, and then we're just gonna blow it right in there. And voila, instant flame.